My name is Ryan Kelly. I'm the CEO of ZigZaGame Inc.
I'm Sean Arndt. I'm a producer here at ZigZaGame.
ZigZaGame Inc. is a Japan-based global gaming company. We have about 9 years track record making games. My brother and I started this company about 9 years ago. We actually saved up all the money that we earned from our summer jobs when we were students. Now we're a 30-person company and we have offices in Tokyo and Seattle. Because we publish our own games, we have to make sure that our games are delivered in a way that is bug-free. It's extremely essential for brand value and for our users. For that reason, we work with Remote TestKit.
What a lot of companies do nowadays is they'll just have maybe 20 mobile devices in-house, and when they get an issue, they'll try to figure out what's going on those devices. But the problem that you run into with that methodology is that there are way more than 20 devices available on the market.
It's physically impossible to own all of the devices out there, and therefore we need a cloud-based service that allows us to test on devices we don't own.
And so maybe you get a really dedicated user, somebody who's been using your app since day one, but who's using some device that you don't have in-house, some device you've never heard of. With Remote TestKit, we're able to fix those cases. Even if we've never seen the device with our own eyes, we just upload it to Remote TestKit, figure out what the issue is. And Remote TestKit allows us to pinpoint what's happening. We can figure out if it's a device-specific issue, if it's an issue with our build, or if it's an issue with the engine. So that's why we find Remote TestKit to be really great and what Remote TestKit provides to us.
Our methodology when we make games is that we make something, an alpha build, call in a lot of testers, and we have them play it, and we can actually live tweak the application. What we had to do previously was build, install it, and all of the 20 or 30 alpha testers we have, and obviously that amounts to a lot of time. Whereas if we have a cloud-based service, we can upload it into one place and everyone's up to date, and that has given us a huge efficiency boost.
My favorite feature is the ability to swap out builds easily. Before, it would take a ton of time, especially if you're building for both iOS and Android. You have to switch between them and then go and build. But with Remote TestKit, we don't have to worry about that so much. We can just upload the build and then have another one building in the back if need be.
We like Remote TestKit for two reasons. First reason is the frame rate. Obviously, being a game company, frame rate is very important for us to actually get a feel for how the app is running on the device. Part of the testing process is seeing the performance of the app. When we see a low frame rate on Remote TestKit, we know that it's actually low frame rate on the actual device. And the second point is the intuitiveness of the UI. It literally took us, maybe a day for the entire team to get accustomed with the Remote TestKit UI. Part of the success is coming from our drive to create a very finished product, a bug-free product, and for that reason I think Remote TestKit, it was a great find for us, and since then we've been using it quite a bit.
Do you want to be more productive and efficient? If your answer is yes, then of course you should